What's up, traders? So let's do a complete updated analysis of gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity gold is giving currently in this volatile market. Now, what we see, this is the 4 hour time frame, and we can find a significant trading opportunity in this time frame. As I see that there is a trading opportunity. Before we discuss what it is, let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis. Then we'll come back to this time frame to see how we can trade gold. Now, starting with monthly time frame. Why? Because monthly, weekly will give you a clear direction in the market, removing all the noise from the lower time frame. Now, first of all, let's see the bigger picture, which where the market is heading. Now, one important thing we need to keep in mind that gold was in an uptrend. This is monthly for an extended period of time. Now, in this uptrend, there is one very important clue here. If you look at the top of the monthly candlestick pattern, what you saw that there has been a lower high has been created, and this spike to the upside during the war situation between Russia and Ukraine. So when you see an uptrending market suddenly created a lower high in its move, that's a sign of deceleration. That means that gold could drop a lot to the downside, even creating a lower low, as it has failed to create a higher high. This is how the market moves. With that being said, gold has still a big potential to drop to the downside. At this point, we can expect at least on the monthly perspective gold to come to test this trend line. Okay, as you if you go to the weekly time frame, you can see this clearly that gold has broken out of this very extended period of time. This trend line was respected. This is the weekly chart, and as you can see that this is a very extended period of time. There is a resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. Now that both of this trend line has not been tested as a support yet, which is high probability that gold will come to test this previous support as a support, previous resistance also as a support. Now at the same time, on the weekly time frame, we have seen a gap opening, first confluence, and also we have seen a reversal pattern here. So with that being all of this said, that gold is likely to push further down to this level at least, or lower than this. So now let's go to the daily time frame to see what kind of price action we have. Now as you have seen in my previous analysis, that is what exactly I told. As you I will put a link below this video to for your educational purpose. We saw that on the daily, back to back, two daily candle, two dodges tested this 20 period. This one didn't test properly, but we have seen a clear test with this 20 period moving average, rejected, followed by a retracement, again rejection. Today we saw, yesterday there has been a retracement to the upside. We saw that previous support here tested as a resistance. Now today, as soon as market open, we are seeing that the price is creating still a bearish pattern. Now let's go to the 4 hour time frame to see what kind of pattern it is creating. Now on the 4 hour time frame, we see that gold is creating another bearish price action pattern. How? If you look at the market structure on the 4 hour, first of all, gold is moving along this trend line, which you can see not fully developed, but like this trend line. And at the same time, now at this point, gold respecting, we saw that this 20 period moving average, blue moving average, what you see that the price first when they tested this one as a resistance, rejected, created a lower high below this 20 period moving average, and then with this green candle broke above, followed by a bearish engulfer. Now at this point, what you see, this current 4 hour candle is going to close after 2 hour 3 minutes, but it looks like that it is also going to test this 20 period moving average and might create a head and shoulder in this 4 hour time frame just below this important level of resistance. As you can see, there is a support here, tested as a resistance, tested this 20 period moving average. And now if we see that this current 4 hour candle, this intraday candle, cannot break this high of this previous red candle, previous bearish candle, and close as a green or dodgy, something like that, we might find a trading opportunity from here to the short side, and gold might create a structure something like that and may decelerate and fall back to this level of support, which can give us a really good trading opportunity with a high risk to reward ratio. Now if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to drop a comment below to help this idea. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.